Okay, guys. So I bought a car seat on Toys R Us. Excuse how trashy I look. I just woke up on my right because I just got an email saying it was canceled. And it said that I confirmed I bought two car seats for $97. The Graco Forever was $350. I was excited. I mean, I woke up the crack of dawn to get these car seats. All my other friends tried to get them, but they were sold out. Okay. And so people I knew were even going in store and getting them, but I was already confirmed online that I was getting mine. Yes, I am.
So you still do not want that offer that I've given you?
What, the offer taking $40 off?
$45 off a Graco 4-in-1 car seat.
Yes. No, if you can bring it down to the price that I was promised, I will happily take it. Or any car seat that's a 4-in-1.
Okay, there is no guarantee or promise, and you weren't charged, so there's literally no liability here.
There was a confirmation that I felt like I was promised a car seat, or I could have easily, because I've never had this happen before. I order online from Toys R Us all the time. I could have easily went to John City and got the car seat.
I understand that you feel like you were promised something, which is why I'm trying to give you a discount on a different item.
$40. This was taking $250 off a car seat.
It was actually a $100 discount.
No, it was $100 on top of $100. No, it was $350 and I got it for $97. Okay, do you understand that?
The retail price was $197, or rather $200.
No, for the Graco Forever, and I have this on email. It was $350.
Yeah, that's the original sale price.
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, it was on sale for $200, and then the clearance sale brought it down to $97.
Okay, and you all can't give me a car seat for that price.
No, but I can discount another one.
For $45.
Yes, that's still a significant savings.
No, it's not. It's not $250. It's $40. Good customer service is finding me a car seat that's that good for the price that I paid. It's okay,
None of these
baby.
other items are on clearance. It was just that one in particular.
Okay, that's not making. This is horrible customer service. And keep in mind, I spent $3,000 there this month because I'm so loyal, and I always have the best customer service from Toys R Us.
Horrible customer service would be not offering you anything. I'm trying to get you an almost $50 discount.
Okay, is everybody listening to this? I paid I got $250 off my purchase. And you're telling me you're giving me $45 off.
I'm telling you that the item went out of stock, and therefore the price cannot be honored because the item has been discontinued.
Okay, and I'm also going to tell you that my friend, and I have proof of all this, his customer service agent is giving him a extended 2-fit one for the same price that she paid for the Graco Forever. So, and you give me who she talked to. You give me, and why can't I speak to a manager? Because this is going to go viral. You can even give me your name. You won't let me speak to a manager. This is crazy. And here's the number, guys. This is Toys R Us. If you could just make it right, there won't be any questions. Are you there?
I'm just going to end up explaining to you one more time what it is I've already told you 3 other times.
Are y'all listening to this? Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Since the item was a clearance item, we do not reserve the price of the item after it runs out of stock. The item is out of stock now, and I cannot reserve that price for you. I can, however, discount another item, a very similar one, the Graco 4-in-1 car seat, by $45.
And I saved $250. Okay, go ahead.
I'm sorry, are you talking to me?
Okay, so that's what you're telling me.
I'm telling you that I can give you a $45 discount, but nothing more.
Okay. Even though I shared that post, got all kinds of people to order it, but they couldn't because it was sold out. But I got a confirmation saying your order was successful. Okay? thinking, well, I'm going to get my thing. I mean, I order online 30 times a week. You know, I'm getting my order. So all my friends said, well, they got a few in stock at Johnson City. We're going to go get them. I'm like, oh, I would do that, but I just ordered mine online and it was confirmed. Okay? This is me showing everybody my confirmed email. Hold on. And then you're telling me that you can give me $40 off the car seat. And then my friend, Ashley, hey, Ashley, she got hers. Her customer service agent gave her one. It was a extended 2-fit because they were decent customer service people for the same price that she paid for the Graco Forever. Because that's the good customer service thing to do. Because I feel like I was promised a car seat.
But you weren't.
Okay, this is the email, guys. It's not showing. Okay, and also, what I need to talk to a manager. You're not letting me speak to a manager. So, tell me what you've been telling me. No, you won't give me your name, and no, you won't let me speak to a manager.
No, I absolutely am not going to share my name with you when you say you're just going to post this all over the place. I mean, come on.
This is before I even said that. This was way before I said this. This is Toys R Us. So, can I speak to a manager? Oh. I need to speak to a manager. This video is already going to corporate. All you had to do was be a decent customer service rep, get me the car seat for what I paid for one that I was promised. Any kind of car seat that was decently like that. Oh my gosh. Out the back. Out. I'm trying to take care of my kids. I'm getting irate. Give me a manager. I mean, you're already fired at this point. Are you there?
I'm sorry, one moment. I'm looking into something.
Say, I'm trying to take care of her and give her breakfast, give her a bath. You look homeless. Yeah, mama.
I do see another Graco car seat on sale for $97.98.
Is it the 4-in-1?
It does not say it's 4-in-1. It says it's a convertible car seat with, let's see, seat position, headrest, light points, harness, and let's see what we got here. 40 pounds, rear facing, 20 to 65 pounds.
Okay.
Graco, life size, 65 convertible.
Do you have okay, my friend got the extend 2-fit one that was priced $299 down to what she paid for, the one that she was promised. So, how much are the ones that you're talking about?
The one that I just described to you is $97.98.
Okay. If it can turn into a booster seat, anything that can turn into a convertible to booster, I'll take.
Let's just see what we got.
If you can give it to me the price that I thought I was promised. Spencer, shut your door. Oh my goodness. Make sure you share. Okay.
She's full.
She's full.
Yeah.
Okay. I could be taking care of my kids right now. Come on, Azarella. Come on. Sweet girl. Here, Izzy. Give her some more of these cereals. No, keep trying until I get done, and then we'll take a bath. I look so trashy. I just woke up. Yes.
If you'd like to look up the item online, it's the Graco My Size 5 convertible car seat. And it has all the information you'll need right in there.
Okay, so if it's clearance out, does that mean there's a new Graco Forever 4-in-1 that you can just give me the price for it? If it's been clearance out, that means there has to be something newer.
The clearance price is only for the in-stock item that they're trying to sell out.
Okay, I didn't know if there was a new one they replaced it with because...
I mean, the only difference between that and the one that we have right now is the color.
Oh, I don't care about the color.
That's the only difference. I mean, it doesn't look like any has taken its place. I just see here another clearance item, a Graco My Size 65 convertible car seat, and there's a promotion attached to this one that says if you use the code clearance20, you get an extra 20% off. So that'll bring it down to $77.98.
Let me look him up. It has to turn into a booster seat. Let me look him up. I don't even have to look these up. Alright, so what was the name of the thing that you were seeing?
It's a Graco My Size,
Graco
one word,
My Size
65
65
convertible car seat.
convertible car seat. Okay, no, that one would not work. It doesn't turn into a booster. What was the other one?
That is the only one that I see for that price. Now let's just see here.
This is crazy. Izzy. Israela. Spencer, keep this door shut so your sister doesn't go in here. I'm trying to do this, and then I'll take care of y'all, okay? In just a second. You can play, just your sister can't in here, okay? Gosh, my daughter is so dirty. I give her food to keep her occupied. Oh. Okay. Okay, here. I'll give you a bath in just a second. Hold on. I mean, if I could just speak to manager, this would be so much easier. I would just explain everything and explain how my friend went through this and she got an extend to fit. I don't know what she did, who she talked to, but it has to be something that she can grow into. I mean, I'm just wasting my time because you're not going to help.
The only help that I or anybody else have for you is to offer to discount the existing 4-in-1 car seat by $45, or rather $50 even. Or I have this other car seat that you said you don't want.
Because it's not a 4-in-1 because I have a 2-year-old. She doesn't need a convertible car seat. She needs one she can grow into. That's why I paid and got up early to get that car seat.
Okay.
Sweet girl. She's only 7 months old. I'm proud. Oh my gosh, we look so horrible. Okay, so again, can I please just speak to a manager? You're wasting 20 minutes of my life that I could be taking care of my kids.
I'm absolutely not forcing you to stay on the phone at all.
No, I'm telling you, I need a manager. And this is the last time I'm telling you, get me a manager. This is already going to corporate. This video is 20 minutes long. Come here, baby. I know. I'm not going to get hostile tomorrow because my kids are. But you can only take so much. Yeah. Imagine how mad I would be if they wasn't here. It's okay, baby. No, you want your sister. She's in the big car with me. Hers in the big car. They won't give her a car seat. Me. They won't give her a car seat. Are you going to let me speak to a manager, or am I just going to hang up and call again? And you won't give me your name.
What I have to offer you is a 45 discount on the 4 and white Graco car seat that we're going for right now.
You're going to give me $45 off a car seat when I saved $200 off one.
On a different item.
On a different item.
On an item that was on clearance that we no longer have.
So these are recorded and saved so they can find out who I was talking to, right?
So don't worry about that.
Okay. So we're golden.
Everything's all taken care of. You got nothing to worry about.
Okay, good, because I'm sure that things are about to change. And you won't let me speak to a manager, right?
Oh no, we're still waiting for somebody.
So I am allowed to speak to a manager? It's okay. So am I speaking to, am I waiting on a manager now?
Yes, you are.
Okay, thank you. Now let's be nice. Where are you going? You can't play with this. Go play with your toys. Is it cute, girl? Say, Mama. You know you're cute. You know you're cute. Oh, you're so. It's nap time. Here, let's go. Wanna walk? Oh my goodness! I'm gonna have to go lay you down for a nap. Oh goodness. Did they say how long it would be?
No. will not be honoring the price that you had, that you think that you were promised, which is unfortunate. It doesn't really seem fair, but that's just what's going on here.
Seem fair at all. So good customer service would be to give me a 4-in-1 car seat, doesn't matter what it is, for the price that I was promised, because it sent me an email. Let me pull up the email. Hold on.
Okay, it's not a promise.
Well, let me
It's
pull up
not
the
a
email to the
guarantee.
people that's live right now.
When
Hold
you're
on.
charged for the items, then it becomes, something more than that. But no, the order was simply canceled because the items ran out of stock.
Let's see. Hold on, let me pull it up.
Now, even though you're not actually entitled to anything, I would like to offer you a discount on a different car seat.
For $45.
Yes, $45.
I think this is something they have to say. I'm not sure.
Now, I'm not even supposed to offer you that much. It should be significantly less than that, but because I understood what's going on with you, and I'd like to help
Because
you.
as you said, it's not fair.
What's not fair?
You even admitted that it's not fair that the car seat was supposed to be $350, said it was $97. I'm pulling up the confirmation.
I'm looking at it right now.
I'm pulling it up for this video.
Now, there is no guarantee or price reservation or any sort of, really, there's no liability here. I'm trying to offer you something that I'm not even told that I'm supposed to do it. But
Okay.
because I want to help you out and you're rejecting my offer, there's nothing that we can do for you.
I'm not going to take an offer on you. And so what was your offer? Let me get this on video.
I'm sorry, what?
What was the offer again that you was going to give me?
You said, let's get this on what now?
You're on video. I told you this is being recorded. Tell me what the offer is.
Okay. My offer to you for your inconvenience, okay? This is the fifth time I'm telling you now. And if you reject this offer, I got nothing else to say to you. For your inconvenience, I will discount another similar item by $45. You got that all on your little video camera?
Yes, I do. Here is the confirmation saying, we received your order and the team is busy preparing for your delivery. That's one. Service PayPal said, yes, it was confirmed for your order for Toys R Us. By that time, they said, thank you for shopping with us. By that time, all my friends have already went up there and got one because they were in store also on Friday. But I thought, well, heck, I'm already promised a car seat. I'm going to wait. Okay, so are we still waiting on a manager? Because I'm seriously wasting my time with you. I don't want to speak to you no more.
I'm sorry, I can barely hear you. You need to speak up.
Am I still waiting on a manager?
Are you?
You told me I was waiting on a manager.
No, I am. Are you?
Yes, I need to speak to a manager for the 5th time.
Okay. Let me explain this to you in a way that you'll understand.
Are y'all getting
That I
this?
gave to you. I'm sorry?
Go ahead, I'm listening.
The information that I've been giving you this entire time comes straight from the top.
I need to speak to a manager. You told me I was waiting on a manager, or I could have already been taking care of my kids, giving them a bath.
If you have other things to do besides sit on the phone to be told the same thing over and over, I suggest you do it.
Are y'all getting this? I need to speak to a manager.
My ear is not going to make it go any faster.
Am I waiting on a manager? Am I waiting on a manager? It's a yes or no. Okay. Yeah, I'm hanging up now. I will have your name. You're probably fired.
Have a great day.
He said, have a great day. And he hung up on me. Guys, this is Toys R Us. This is crazy. I'm such a nice person. I've never had to call customer service before. He is offering me. Okay, I was guaranteed. I have proof of all this. I was guaranteed. It said, thank you for your confirmation for the 4-in-1 car seat. It was a $350 car seat. I got it for $97. I was like, already got two. I think I shared that. I was bragging about Toys R Us. A few days later, I don't even know, whatever. They said, hey, your order's been canceled. My friend, I told them about that. It said they was sold out for them, but it wasn't sold out for me. So I was like, heck, I'm getting it. And so what happened is there was a select few in the store in our town. They went up there and got the car seats. I said, well, dang, I would love to have them right now, but I already ordered and here's my confirmation. Or I could already have a 4-in-1 Graco car seat for $97 that was $350. Keep in mind, I'm a nice person. I don't ever. And did y'all listen to that customer service? This is Toys R Us. Guys, I'm irate. So I gotta go take care of my kids and deal with this later. Luckily, the little one's napping, so time to give the big one a bath. Mom life.